being part of the MCI Homes family, I have learned that it was not a job or work that we do every day. It was just a calling, that we share our vision to all Filipinos, that the value of earned money and its investments. We just keep on believing in our capabilities, love our work, and continue the great news of how it feels good to be home with the MCI Homes. This is Marie Claire Rivera from Barcelona, Spain. Bumabati po sa inyong lahat ng maligayang Pasko at maligayang bagong taon. Mabuhay po kayo!